Oh, what you what? Who are you for? Who are you for? Yeah, why are you so apprehensive? Colors. Let us not wear colors in court. Have you followed? Yes, the officer of the state, he is responsible for conducting the election in a fair manner. Allegation. It is a very preliminary stage. Why are you so hyper? For the purpose of maintaining independency and transparency in the process of investigation, the court thinks it fit to direct the CBI to conduct the investigation, and State Election Commission is directed to take immediate steps in the matter and ensure that the candidates are permitted to file the Form B. Paragraph. It has been submitted by the learned advocate representing the petitioners that similar incidents have taken places on a number of occasions, and an inquiry by an independent authority is called for. Stop. Next. Paragraph. As it appears that allegation of tampering has been brought against an officer who is responsible for conducting the election in a free and fair manner. Accordingly, the said allegation is required to be inquired into by a competent authority. Stop. Next. The Joint Director of the Central Bureau of Investigation has been impleaded as respondent number 12 in the instant writ petition. Stop. Next. The court directs the aforesaid respondent to conduct an inquiry to ascertain the allegation of the petitioners. Stop. Next.
They are allegations. But we have not received any instruction from the authority concerned.
It is only an allegation. It is to be inquired. Why are you so apprehensive?
Why? What is the reason why election commission is opposing this place?
Oh, what you what? Who are you for? Who are you for? Yeah, why are you so apprehensive? Nothing for you to be so apprehensive.
Your Lordship, kindly allow us to investigate.
1 minute. You are wearing a black and white robe. You are not wearing colors. Let us not wear colors in court. Have you followed? Yes, the officer of the state, he is responsible for conducting the election in a fair manner. No documents, a mere allegation. Absolutely, it's an allegation. It is a very preliminary stage. Why are you so hyper? Yes. Why will it is your officer, madam? The officer is yours.
That during the election commission, but when during the course of argument, counter argument, these allegations have come up, and your Lordship knows very well that we have looked into it and we have
yes,
done a fair enough job.
Right.
I don't know if it is appreciated by my learned friends or not.
Whatever it is.
Kindly give me an opportunity to at least investigate whether there is any truth in it or not. If there is, then Lordship will proceed.
Paragraph. Prayer has been made by the learned advocates representing the State Election Commission and the state respondents that the investigation ought to be conducted by the state authorities and not by the CBI. Stop. The aforesaid contention of the respondent authorities cannot be accepted. Stop. No, not stop. In view of the reason that the officer against whom the allegation is made is in service with the state respondents and is also responsible for conducting the election in a fair manner. Stop. For the purpose of maintaining independency and transparency in the process of investigation, the court thinks it fit to direct the CBI to conduct the investigation and file a report before this court. Stop. Next. They submitted their nominations for contesting the Panchayat General Election 2023. But they were restrained and obstructed from filing the Form B, where the
And assaulted manner brutally.
FIR
lodged, 2
symbols
persons
of the
arrested.
political parties are allotted. Stop. Next. The submission of the petitioners is that they were severely assaulted and were prevented from filing the Form B. Stop. Next. Where is your representation to the authority?
My lord, there are several representations. One by Mr. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, P1, that is the Pradesh Congress President,
Page
page 17,
page
to the Chief
17.
Electoral Officer.
Yes.
Second, my lord,
20th.
that is, I am rushing to Banwa, etc. Message. Thereafter, my lord, by
Acha, representation
spokesperson,
was
Jila
filed
Police Sub,
by the who is this? By the petitioner? No, not from the petitioner.
not from the petitioner, but the party persons, my lord, that is Pradesh Congress Sabhapati and the spokespersons
by
of
the
Murshidabad district
spokesperson of the political party
and President, my lord,
and president. Spokesperson and president.
President and spokesperson.
President and spokesperson of the political party.
And also another person, my lord, who is also in charge. No, Niloy. And who's given reply by the election of commissioner.
Where is the
That is
reply?
page 21.
21. Acha. With a request to permit the candidates to submit the Form B. Stop. The West Bengal State Election Commission replied to the request by mentioning that the matter is being looked into for taking necessary action. Stop. Next. The State Election Commission is directed to take immediate steps in the matter and ensure that the candidates are permitted to file the Form B. Stop. Writ petition stands.
My lord, with adequate security, my lord,
Oh,
by the SP, Superintendent of Police Murshidabad or Central Police Force, because that has already been deployed as per the order of the Honorable Division, Chief Justice.
acha. The petitioners shall be permitted to, no, not the petitioners, the candidates shall be permitted to file in the Form B with adequate police protection from the Central Reserve Police Force and in the absence of the CRPF by the Superintendent of Police Murshidabad.
Yes.